Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to track restricted funds in QuickBooks. This is an essential skill for anyone managing nonprofit donations, grants, or any other type of restricted funds. Keeping these funds organized ensures clarity, transparency, and accurate financial reporting. To start, log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select Account and Settings. This is where we'll configure the settings needed to track restricted funds properly. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab. This section houses important configurations for reports, sales, expenses, and more. Scroll down carefully until you find the Categories section. Categories allow you to distinguish between different types of funds or revenue sources, which is critical for keeping your financial records transparent. Here, locate the option to track classes. Turn this toggle on. By enabling class tracking, you can assign specific classes to your restricted funds, making it much easier to generate insightful reports and maintain compliance with any financial restrictions. Also, check the box that says, "Warn me when a transaction isn't assigned a class." These warnings are crucial to avoid mistakes in financial reporting, especially when managing restricted funds. Once you've made these adjustments, click Save to ensure all changes are stored. QuickBooks will confirm that your settings have been updated successfully, and there you have it. With this setup, your restricted funds will be tracked meticulously, helping you maintain financial integrity and use your resources more effectively. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. And